Subject-verb agreement. Children, we will practice English conversation today. You will all tell me something about yourself and your family.
I gets up at 6 a.m.
That is incorrect. We will use singular form of get verb with I. So the correct sentence is, I get up at 6 a.m.
My parents wake up at 5 a.m.
You are right. Here, parents are more than one, and with plural subject, we will use a plural verb, that is, wake. Definition. Subject-verb agreement means that a subject must agree with its verb in number and person. A singular subject needs a singular verb. A plural subject needs a plural verb. I, we, you, and they take plural verb. He, she, it take singular verb. Let us look at some other rules of subject-verb agreement. Each, either, neither, everybody, anyone, anybody, nobody, someone, somebody, everyone, and no one are singular, so they need a singular verb. Each of the girls will get a gift. Collective nouns are taken as singular and needs a singular verb. The team is working hard to win the match. If two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by and they will need a plural verb, Rita and Suman are going to the market. Nouns with plural form but possessing singular meaning require singular verb. The news is shocking.